Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix some iCloud data isn't syncing. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, if you're getting the error like this, and I'll show you how can you fix this type of error. So first of all guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to tap on that. So when you tap on that guys, after that you can see this type of interface. Let me tell you that I don't have this type of error. So if you have, just simply have to tap on that, and after that guys you can see this type of page. Just simply have to tap on remove, just simply have to tap on resume data scenic, and after that guys you can see this type of interface. So from here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to tap on continue. You can easily see here guys, reset end-to-end encrypted data. You must reset your end-to-end encrypted data to sign in iCloud. This may include message in iCloud save, password, home data, and other sensitive data. So just simply have to tap on continue, and after that guys it will ask you to put the password of your Apple ID. So just simply have to put the password of your Apple ID, and after that guys what you need to do is just simply have to put the passcode of your device, and after that your problem 100% will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today's video. If there is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.